Hello everybody! I'm so excited. We have a very special guest coming to our classroom today. Now this is someone we've read stories about. Some say she controls the weather and the seasons and she's responsible for all of nature. Can you guess who it is? That's right, it's Mother Nature. So I've got a very special trick to show you. When I put on this hat, I become Mother Nature. Are you ready? Let's see if it works. Hello! When I take the hat off, I'm Miss Forbes again. Are you ready? So I want everyone to sit very quietly because Mother Nature is bringing some special friends with her and we don't want to scare them away. So let's close our eyes and open them when you hear Mother Nature say hello. You ready? Close your eyes. Hello, darlings. Wakey, wakey. Oh, I am so excited to be here today. Do you know who I am? That's right, boys and girls. I am Mother Nature. I brought a very special friend with me. Here is Wally the Wombat. Oh, Wally is very shy. So you wave hello to the boys and girls in here too? Oh, good boy. Thank you so much for having us today. You've been doing the seasons, I hear. And look at the beautiful autumn leaves. Oh my goodness, that is lovely. And the storybooks. Oh, so we are going on a magical adventure through the seasons. So everybody sit, close your eyes and listen to me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come with me through the seasons we can see. It's autumn. Look at the autumn leaves, Wally. Look, there are leaves on the ground that Wally can jump in. Yes, they go crunch. What's that, Wally? Oh, Wally thinks it might be getting a bit cold, boys and girls. Do you think it gets cold in autumn? Yes, you're right. So should I wear long sleeve or short sleeve? Yes, sometimes it gets a bit cool at night time. You're right. And there's dew on the grass in the morning. Look at the birds. They are flying somewhere warmer for the winter. Oh, what's that, Wally? Oh, Wally does not like the winter. So we're not going to go to the winter, boys and girls. No. We're now going to go somewhere very special, but I need you to say bye-bye to autumn and we close our eyes. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Come with me. Through the seasons we can see. It's spring. Oh, look at the beautiful spring flowers. Oh, and what's that, Wally? You're right. We have some special friends in spring. We have Buzzy. Buzzy loves to fly through the flowers, collecting all the pollen, and we also know Skye the butterfly. Skye! Where is Skye the butterfly?
I'm here, Mother Nature.
Oh, come and join us, Skye. These are our beautiful friends from here too, and they have come on our adventure through all the different seasons, and we are now in spring. How are you, Skye?
I'm sad because people aren't looking after the flowers and earth.
They're not looking after the flowers?
And when they stomp on those places, and I'm running out of safe places to live.
No safe places for the butterflies to live. No.
No pollens means no plants, and less food for me and you.
You're right. So boys and girls, what could we do to help Skye and Buzzy with the spring flowers? What's that? Oh, could we plant more flowers, Skye? Would that help?
Yes.
Oh, and what else? Oh, we could make sure we water and look after the plants. That's right. We need to look after nature, boys and girls. It's not just up to the animals, it's up to us too. How does that sound, Skye? Would that help some of your problems?
But a little bit. The only other problem I have is that they still spray poison, and the poison makes me sick.
They spray the poison on the plants, boys and girls. What could we do to stop the spraying of the poisons? What's that? Oh, I like that idea. There are lots of other natural ways that we can control the insects that eat the food that annoys the humans. You're right. And that way our beautiful spring friends can collect all the pollen. How does that sound?
That sounds amazing, Mother Nature.
Oh, I'm so happy.
I love these children. They will help my family and all my butterfly kind.
Oh, they will. Oh, boys and girls, I have had such a lovely time going on this adventure due to autumn and spring, but we don't have any time because I can hear your teacher coming back, so I must go. So we say bye-bye to Skye.
I have to be going. I need to tell my family the great news of how the pollen will be edible now.
Yay! Thank you, you too. Bye, Skye. Okay, you say bye to Wally. Bye. Bye to Buzzy. All right, I will go now. Thank you so much for your time, and remember, it is your job to help me look after all of nature. I can't do it by myself. All right, bye-bye, boys and girls. Oh, boys and girls, I looked everywhere for Mother Nature and I couldn't find her. What's that? She was here the whole time. Oh my goodness. And she liked our autumn leaves. Did she like the fact we've been doing the seasons? Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so glad she got to see us. Now it's your turn. I would love for you guys to come up with a special adventure that you can take Mother Nature's friends on. We had Buzzy and Wally and Skye the butterfly. So I can't wait to see what you guys create. Bye!